Narrator about reading. What you got?
Stay focused.
Oh, yeah.
It's always going to be the same ones.
Yeah. Any others? What have you been learning this week in reading?
What you're reading.
Okay.
Read at least 3 times or 2 times.
Okay. How many times are you going to read a passage?
2.
2. Okay. So when you take your reading star, you're going to be reading twice, right? Okay.
3.
Okay. Alrighty, let's get started. Ready?
Yes.
Wonderful water. Begin. Come on, people.
Some
people say you are what you eat. It might be more accurate to say you are what you drink. That is because 2/3 of the human body is made up of water. Our bodies use water in many ways to maintain our health and well-being. We need water to help with digesting and absorbing the food we eat. Water controls our body temperature, keeping us from getting too hot in warm weather. It helps to carry oxygen and nutrients to all the bodies, cells, and even acts as a protective cushion for joints such as knees and hips. Ready? Each day, our bodies lose as many as 6 pints of water through evaporation and perspiration. That's sweating. Replacing the water is important for maintaining good health. People who exercise vigorously lose even more water. Running, playing sports, bicycling, and hiking can increase the... Keep going, keep reading. Increase the...
amount of water.
Keep going.
You need to drink. How can you get all the water you need? First, try to drink plenty of fresh water
With every meal and after you exercise.
It's
Also good to drink water at other times during the day, especially if it is a warm day. Eat plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, which also contain water. Eating these can also help you get the water your body needs. Many people do not drink enough water to maintain their health. They say they don't feel thirsty. Sometimes people who do not think they are thirsty are confusing thirst with hunger. They think their body is asking for food instead of water. To ensure you get all the water your body needs, you should drink water frequently throughout the day. If you drink enough water throughout the day, you will feel healthy and refreshed. More importantly, your body will have the fluid it needs to work well. So what's the retell? Do we do the retell glove or do we do 3, 2, 1? Which one?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so tell me one thing you learned, Casey. And it has to be in sequence, so what's the first thing you learned?
So some people say that you are what you eat.
But what is it really? You are what you drink. Okay, Irvin, what's one?
I learned that people... It said people in your body that it has water in it.
Okay, so your body's mostly made of water, right?
And when you need vegetables, they they need water to like taste good and
Okay.
get all the dirt out if you have it in the pot.
And they need,
And they need like moisture.
okay, just like you. Your body needs that too, right?
That is what I'm
Jolene?
trying to say.
Okay. One thing that I learned was that, I agree with Irvin when he said that you should eat plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables that have water in it, but also you got to drink water by itself, right? Because I know sometimes my lips get really dry. And then,
me right now.
yeah, and then I have to drink a lot of water. Okay?
Mostly because I don't put chapstick.
And
But it's mostly because you need to drink water. That's the underlying cause. Chapped lips, like, hides it. But if you drink water, it'll go away. Okay?
I do.
But listen. I didn't know that when you exercise, you need to drink, like, extra water.
Oh, because when you
My mom
when you
does.
get sweaty,
you're sweaty.
so
You're like
when you drink,
so hot.
when you drink, you get all that sweat away.
I know, but, and that sweat is water, right? Coming
Yeah,
from your
it's
body.
water.
It's like, I see
That's
these,
what I
I
said.
see these pictures. It says, sweat is fat crying.
They're hungry.
Uh-huh.
Wait, no, thirsty, but they're hungry.
Yeah, they confuse thirst with hunger. So if you're hungry, you should try to drink water first.
Yeah, water first
And then if it
then
goes away, then you're good. If you're still hungry, then you need to actually eat.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. Because right now I'm hungry, so I might be thirsty or I might be hungry. So it's one of
Yeah,
those.
it just depends. But you really might be
didn't
hungry.
get breakfast
Because it's
at
been a
all.
while since you've eaten. Yes?
This doesn't make sense.
Mhm.
Some people say you are what you eat.
You are.
Got it?
I'm not a cannibal.
It's just the same.
I barely eat.
Okay, one opinion. One opinion of the passage we just read. Yes.
I like drinking water a lot.
You
so
do? Good.
I think this is the story that I'm really interested in.
Ooh, see, let me feel it. It was nice and moisturized. Yes.
It inspired me because you can learn about like the vegetables and what's inside your body
Yeah.
and what's going on.
I know how to digest this. Hold on.
Because when you like sweat
Mm-hmm.
and like there's everything in your mouth
Mhm.
and you have like taste buds,
Mhm.
you can even taste like the water.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I know how to digest this system works.
Is that your comment about the story?
Yes.
It has to relate to water. Go ahead. Your opinion.
When you eat or drink something, when it goes in your stomach, it pulls out all the nutrients from the water
Uh-huh.
and all the food that you eat,
Uh-huh.
and that turns into muscle or fat, and
Okay.
then the leftover turns into waste.
Yeah. And what if you're not drinking enough water? Does that slow down the digestive process? I would agree. Comment about the story. Quickly, sweetie. We gotta move on. What is your opinion?
You need.
Would you like to see hear more about a certain thing? Would
you
you?
need a thing that you have to drink 8 cups every day.
Okay, you have to drink 8 cups of water every day.
Drives me cuckoo.
8 cups.
She does
Really?
it.
Yeah.
I would go.